Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ray. Today I am going to talk about few myths and facts about suicide. Myth number 1, people who talk about suicide or people who threaten other people that I am going to do suicide are less likely to do suicide or they are not going to suicide. These are the common belief. But the reality is, people who commit suicide have usually given some clue or warning beforehand. And each kind of threats or any comments or statements they made about doing suicide should be taken seriously. Myth number 2, talking about suicide will trigger people to do suicide or their suicidal ideas will come back. But the reality is, people should talk to people to understand why they did suicide, and doing so, it will help people to feel understood. It's not like questioning or judging them, but listening to them or just asking about how are you doing, would you like to share something with me. These kind of sentences, words will be helpful, and it is the best way to go for a professional help, and there you will get a professional help to handle such kind of situation. But keeping them away from all discussions or not talking to them about suicide at all is not a good idea. Myth number 3, people rarely attempt suicide when they discharged from the hospital recently. That is what we usually think, but reality is people who come out of the hospital are at a high risk, especially who are had a suicidal attempt before or who are having a mental disorders are at high risk to do suicide again. Myth number 4, suicidal people find a way to die no matter what. They just want to die, they will find one or the other way to die, just like this duckling. But reality is, people are confused, they are helpless, they are ambivalent, they are needed some help and they don't know what to do. They wanted to live, but they are also in the pain. So it is not that they don't want to live at all. They want to live, but they are between the desire to live and desire to die. So it is just a lame that people just thinking like no, they will find a way to die somehow, but that's not the truth. Truth is that they are in between these two thoughts. Myth number 5, only mentally ill people or people who are having mental disorders only attempt suicide. Is that one of the thought? That's one of the myth, but the reality is mental disorders are one of the reasons. There are plenty more other reasons behind suicide. You can watch my previous videos on suicide, and there is one video about suicide reasons behind suicide, and there is one video about psychological reasons behind suicide. You can watch those videos. I'll put it in the description. Okay. That's all for today's video. These are the references. Thank you. Please like, comment, and please subscribe our channel. We really need a lot of support from everybody. Please subscribe our channel and please share our videos, and whichever videos connected with you, please let us know. And if you have some suggestions, please let us know. Thank you everybody. Bye bye.